Welcome back, guys. It's Gary, hanging with Mr. G Seeds, and I thought I'd make a quick little video of a model that I just finished. You know, I haven't been posting up much lately. I've been a little under the weather, and I haven't really done much building at all, much work of any kind, really. And I'm still trying to get caught up on a couple other things, but I did manage to squeeze this one out a week or so ago. This is the AMT 64 Chevelle Malibu SS that, you know, the AMT issued, I'm guessing about a year ago. I don't really know how long I've had this kit up in my closet, but I started it at least a year ago. I painted it silver metal flake base, as you can see there, and it just kind of sat around in a box for a while. Well, I got behind on a lot of other stuff, and would pull it out once in a while and work on it. I'd paint it, and then I'd clear it, and it'd sit in the box again. But this time around, I figured, you know, I'm going to pull it out, finish it up. I've got a few other subscriber and buddies stuff that I need to finish up. So I thought, well, you know, just start grabbing kits and, you know, put them together a little at a time. And that way I can get them all done for everyone. And this was on the list too. It was right there in the pile, and it was probably the quickest one to go ahead and finish, so I went ahead and finished it. This is, like I said, the 64 Malibu, and what I did was I took it and I mated it to the chassis and the interior tub of the Mobius 1965 Chevy 2 gasser. And you know, the wheel wells, just a slight difference. The back is a little bit altered forward, which is actually the stock place for that. But on a gasser, it would have been moved up a hair. Now the front end, I did move up just a hair, the leaf springs and the axle, just forward, just a hair to kind of put it out just in front of the center of this wheel well, just to make it look correct. Otherwise it looked like it stuck back too far. So I did move it up, and I'm talking, man, just a hair, just maybe a 1/16 of an inch. It wasn't much at all to get it to just be in that, just in front of the center of that wheel well. So I did that. The interior tub is actually from the Nova also, and it fit right in there. I mean, I was really surprised. And so I thought, man, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Nova interior, the roll bar, the dashboard, everything, right out of the Nova kit. And yeah, the motor fit in the right in front of the firewall and everything. So that was sweet. I didn't have to do any cutting or modification or anything. Went ahead and painted it, like I said, silver metal flake base, and clear coated it urethane, and then came back, sanded it with 800, and laid out all the striping and stuff on the side, and added candy purple and some tangerine, with some cobwebbing, as you can see in there, a decal that says malfunction on the side of it. Now what I was going for was kind of an ex-gasser turned street freak, you know, early 70s, out on the boulevard cruising. And so yeah, I think at nighttime, if this thing were underneath the street lights, that metal flake sparkling, cruising by with a rumble, I think that would be a really cool car. But anyways, I just wanted to bring this in and show it to you guys. I'm still working on a few buddies' cars and subscribers' cars for them, and trying to get them done and caught up. And a little at a time, I'm getting there, and I'm feeling a little bit better. And yeah, hopefully I'll be all better here pretty soon. So and I'll be right back to making content and building models and doing stuff. But I thought I'd show this to you guys, and because you're probably wondering, what the heck, where's Gary at? Well, I'm still here, guys, and like I said, I just wanted to bring you in and show you this one. And the next one I finish up, I'll bring that one in too and show it to you. But anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, give me a like. Leave me a comment if you would. Definitely share it with your friends. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.